Oftentimes, bicyclists can be the victim of a hit-and-run motor vehicle-related accident in which there is actual physical contact with a motor vehicle and the motor vehicle flees the scene of the accident and remains unidentified. This is known as a hit-and-run uninsured accident. There is another category of uninsured status in which the offending vehicle is actually identified but does not have active insurance coverage. This is simply known as an uninsured accident. I'm going to discuss both of these categories in detail in this video. In order to have a valid claim for a hit-and-run accident, there are three basic requirements aside from injury. The first is there must be physical contact with the offending vehicle. Second, the accident must be reported to the police within 24 hours of the actual accident. The third requirement is there must be no reasonable opportunity to identify the offending vehicle. If you are in an accident with a vehicle that later proves to be uninsured, you will have an uninsured motorist claim as long as there was physical contact with the uninsured vehicle. In the case of a hit and run and an uninsured motorist claim, you will have two claims. The first is a no-fault claim, and the second is a bodily injury claim. The bodily injury claim is conditioned upon proving fault and conditioned upon proving a serious injury, or what is commonly known as a threshold injury. No-fault coverage, proving fault, and a threshold injury in a bicycle motor vehicle accident is discussed in detail in our bicycle motor vehicle accident video. In both categories of cases, hit and run or uninsured, the primary provider of coverage is the insurance company for any vehicle registered to anyone, including yourself, within your household related by blood or marriage. If there is no vehicle registered to you or anyone in your household, then the claim must be filed with the Motor Vehicle Accident Indemnification Corporation. This is a statutory entity that provides a safety net of minimum coverage for victims of uninsured and hit-and-run motor vehicle accidents in New York State. In an uninsured motorist claim, the provider of coverage, be it an uninsured motorist carrier or MIVIAC, actually steps into the shoes of the uninsured vehicle, and they will use whatever defense is available to them. The time to file the valid claim for no-fault benefits is 30 days from the date of accident. The time to file a valid hit-and-run claim is up to 90 days following the accident, and the time to file for an uninsured motorist claim is as soon as reasonably practicable. The deadlines involved in these cases can be construed very strictly, so if you've been involved in this type of an accident, do not delay in obtaining proper representation. If you or someone you know has been involved in a bicycle accident through the negligence of another, please contact our office for a free, no obligation consultation.